This is how you can make money with Pinterest in 2023. Now, before we jump into some of the specifics, I want to make sure that you understand, why is it that you even want to make money online? A lot of times people are always researching on Google or YouTube saying, dude, I really want to make money online, but you have to really dig down deep and say, man, what is my pain point? Why do I want money? Because that will actually motivate you more than the money itself. For me, in my experience, going 4 to 5 years back, I really valued freedom. And so I had a 9 to 5. I was going to work every day and I just really wasn't enjoying the process. I enjoyed helping people and serving people, but I felt like I was away from my family and I felt like my growth was stagnant. And to be honest with you, in a very personal way, I just wasn't being paid very much. So that's why every day when I would come home after work, I would always buy courses or try to find training for myself on how to make money online. And so that was really my driving factor, to have more time freedom and financial freedom. So it might be different for you. Maybe you hate your boss, maybe you hate your job, and you're really just trying to find a way to break out of what you're doing because you're just simply not happy. But you need to dig down deep and find what it is that drives you, because if you don't find that, then it doesn't even matter what I'm going to be saying next, because you won't do it anyways. So once you find your why, that's when we can start jumping into the system. Now, I consult different businesses and my clients on how to capture leads, how to build a system, how to get traffic to their offer. And so these are the 3 things that I like to call the escape system. The reason I like to call it the escape system, because all of us, we're trying to escape online digitally right now, right? Like right now, there's all these different social media platforms. There's all these different methods to share your message, your product, or your service online. So really, no matter what these gurus tell you, there's 3 things that you need for your business. And what we're going to be talking about today with Pinterest is a traffic source. So you need an offer, you need a system, and you need traffic. Those are the only 3 things you need. If anyone tells you different, they're wrong. And if anyone tries to persuade you different than needing one of those 3 things, then they're really just probably trying to sell you something. So when it comes to an offer, you need to go online and either create your own offer, which is very time consuming and kind of hard to do, or you can become an affiliate, be affiliated with someone else's product and service. That way you don't have to create the product, do the customer support, ship things out. You can just align yourself with a product or service that is already existing that helps people solve a problem. And to become an affiliate, all you have to do is go to whatever it is, affiliate program online. So for example, if you wanted to become an Amazon affiliate, you just put in Google Amazon affiliate program. Or if you wanted to become a Best Buy affiliate, you just go and type in Best Buy affiliate program. There's affiliate programs for almost anything you can think of, from knitting to golfing to basketball. So really the sky's the limit. What you really want to do is find a product and a service that you align with, that you feel you can build a business around, and be selfish and take care of you and your family needs. It needs to be lucrative as well. So it can't just be like getting $1 here and there. It needs to actually provide you with a decent amount of money. Otherwise, what's the point of having an offer? And you might as well just make videos just for nothing, right? So make sure you have an offer, whether it's your own, whether you become affiliated with a program. I don't really care. Just get an offer. Second is having a system. You really don't have a business online unless you have an email list, unless you have a website domain. And I don't care what someone tells you, if you don't have an email list, especially building a business online, you don't have a business. And whether you want to fight me that or not, I don't really care. I just know it's true, because people can shut you down on YouTube. People can shut you down on Pinterest. People can shut you down on TikTok. You don't really own those platforms. You need to build your own list, your own following, and that way that you have more control. That way you can send people offers. So basically, a system consists of this. You need to have some form of software that has an opt-in page where people can opt in to get this free thing or get this free training, some kind of freebie or giveaway, so that you can get their email. And that's called an opt-in page. And then what they need to do is, if it's not your product, you need to have a bridge page, basically introducing yourself and saying, hey, why is this product good? Why is it worth your time? What problems does it solve? If it's your own product, obviously you probably just go right to the sales page. The reason we want it to be a funnel, this is called a funnel, where you're funneling people, not just a website with a bunch of different clicks and things, is because a confused buyer doesn't buy. So you need to have a funnel and that's simplified so that people can go from, hey, I'm walking in the door, to how can this help me? Do I want this or do I not? If you have a bunch of gizmos, gadgets, and buttons all over the place, people will get confused, they won't buy. Okay, so you need a funnel. Obviously, once you get that email in the opt-in page, you will have your email list. This enables you to actually have a business running for you 24/7. So before we get into traffic, with an email list, you can literally have people know, like, and trust you more. You can literally have people say, hey, maybe you didn't like the last product, this product also helped me as well. So you're able to promote things to people that solve problems over and over again until they literally unsubscribe from you. So you want to give value, you want to solve people's problems, and then using your email list, build that relationship so that you can become the source of knowledge for that particular industry or niche. Now, finally, we're going to be jumping into the Pinterest part, which is the traffic. Pinterest, when I first learned about Pinterest, I thought it was just, some craft store, before I knew how awesome it is. It's really one of the biggest search engines in the entire infrastructure of online. So, and a lot of people go to Pinterest actually for buying questions. So it's first started being a lot of stay-at-home moms wanting to learn how to decorate this, decorate that. It's now becoming just this huge, phenomenal search engine. And so a couple of tips for you to start making money online is you can create Pinterest ideas, which is like short form video. So you can create short form video, put it on there, but always keep in mind that it is a search engine. So you're going to be wanting to make titles and content that people are searching for. It's not really much of a viral platform like you're wanting to use like clickbait words or titles or anything like that. You're more wanting to help people solve problems that they're looking and typing for. Now, if you don't want to do video, Pinterest is actually known for their pins, right? So just the images with copy on it. And so you can go into something like Canva. You can make a bunch of different images. This is the best camera for 2023. You can make 100 of those images and keep pinning them, right? It can be for any product. This is the best baby monitor. So you can really, the sky's the limit with this, but Pinterest is an amazing traffic source. And that's all it really is for your business. If you're wanting to learn how to make money online, right? It's just the traffic source that gets people to your system. And that system constantly 24/7 is bringing them back to your offer. So hopefully that shines a little bit of light why you can make and how to make money on Pinterest in 2023, even as a beginner. You need to have traffic, which is Pinterest. You need to have a system that's working for you 24/7. Otherwise, what's the point of you even being online? You might as well just be messaging your grandma and mom saying, hey, check out this baby monitor, because there's really no point if you don't have a system. And then you need to have an offer, some kind of product or solution or service that people can purchase that they are willing to give their money for. And so if you have those three things with your Pinterest account and continue showing up every day, that's really, once you get those three things, it's just showing up and getting more traffic every day. Once you have your system, showing up, putting more content out. I mean, you can do Facebook ads, you can do all these other things if you really want to. That costs money. It's just a traffic source. But Pinterest right now in 2023 is a beautiful way to start building your business online organically, which just means that you're trading time to put into your business instead of paying to get traffic into your business. So let me know if you have any questions about Pinterest. I love it. Getting thousands and thousands of impressions every month just from repurposing my short form video content onto Pinterest. So if you have any questions about that, leave it down in the comments below. Check out the link down in the bio, because I will be giving you the solution for your entire system. The software has opt-in pages. It has all the setup that you ever need for your business. We have over 200 funnels that you can use and customize just for yourself. And it's very affordable compared to all the different competitors. So make sure you check that out, and we will see you in the next one. And also check out these videos here, because those are the videos that YouTube thinks you'll like next.